Are you seeing the Clock Flyout Experience DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. As we look at the manual steps for Clock Flyout Experience, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Clock Flyout Experience, the Clock Flyout Experience library. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering of the taskbar clock and calendar pop-up and facilitates the data link for localized time manifests. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Clock Flyout Experience DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Clock Flyout Experience file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Clock Flyout Experience DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Clock Flyout Experience. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Clock Flyout Experience today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.